Hey guys, today I want to show how to play with color. So in a CSS, so first step is to open the Sublime text editor and need to create two files. One is HTML and I saved to the desktop, so it will be the index.html. And the second is a CSS file. And the same need to save to the desktop with style. Yeah, and here if you write this and press tab, and here need to add some title, for example the colors. For example, if you has it with a paragraph with the text with hello, not it has a heading one with this text, and if you have a paragraph, and if you write this lorem and press tab, and here is some text. Okay, how to include this CSS file? So here need to write this link, and here need to write this style.css. Okay, and if you open this, it is some heading and this is in a heading text, and here is some text. So in the style, for example, this paragraph, I want a color with blue, and add each one want a color red. Yeah, if you reopen, so save, it will be oh, the name is wrong, so it's so rename this file. So sorry, so it's in the style, and if you open, okay, and if you reopen, so it is red, it is blue. How to change color this? So it has a RGB with red, green, and blue. So it is here need to add some colors. So for example, I want to create a red color. It is, so the red is full and green and blue is 0. Okay, and save, and this text is red. If you want a big green, for example, so it's nothing, but if you want to blue, yeah, it is. And how to create another, if you want this to a background color with blue, yeah, and I want the border color, so the border, border color with blue. Yeah, the which, oh, I want the border with 2 pixel solid. Yeah, yeah, and the border color is blue. And if you how to create a color, so in the Google, if you write this uh, the text uh, color hex, and if you open this, and here is some color, but it is a wrong sign. But if you use these HTML color codes, and here I want, for example, this color, copy this hex code, and I want here, so this color I want, and if you reopen, the color is changed. So thank you for watching and see you later.